What's up everyone? In this video I'll show you how to create a Pinterest business account. So here I have Pinterest opened on my browser and I'm not logged in with my normal or personal account. Instead I want to create a business account. So on the home page here you'll find at the top business. If I click on it, it'll open a new tab with the Pinterest business page in it. As you can see, the URL says business.pinterest.com, and from there I want to click on sign up to create a new business account. It'll open a new tab where it'll ask me to enter my email, the password that I want, and my birthday, and then I can click on create account to create my new Pinterest business account, or I can log in if I already have a business account on Pinterest and I want to log into it.
Thank you for watching this video. Subscribe to Online Success and click on the video on the screen for more help.